Hey, hello guys, this is Brian back with the Fantom FTM token update here. We are currently at 0.5137. We are up 6.14% for the day, and we had a day high of 0.5316. The market is looking beautiful. Bitcoin has made another higher high for the day, and obviously you can see them price charts, the part on the screen there that we hit these targets a couple days ago, and now it looks like we're possibly making a move up through there. We're going to dig into this a little bit more here in a second. I got a couple of really awesome articles to show you, and then we'll get into this exciting chart, and I believe we got a move coming up here for sure. But 3 hot cryptos that are killing it this year. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do. We would love to have you here every day. Do a giveaway the last day of the month. Going to give away 100 ADA here. That's Cardano tokens. And all you have to do is be subscribed. So please hit the subscribe button. Would love to have you here. Got a fantastic group of people. I really couldn't be happier to be, happy to be a part of this group. So thank you very much. 3 hot cryptos that are killing it this year. We're going to go down to the one we're here for. Filecoin. Love that coin too. Fantom. Fantom is the native digital currency of the Fantom blockchain. It operates as an ERC20 and BEP20 token, indicating compatibility with the Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. There you go. That's what you want. You want to be tied with them two. That's for sure. The two biggest ones, Ethereum and Binance. Fantom is a blockchain that supports smart contracts and is compatible with Layer 1 EVM. It was introduced in 2019 and used a unique proof-of-stake consensus protocol named Lachesis. Lachesis employs an asynchronous Byzantine fault-tolerant POS protocol based on a directed acrylic graph algorithm. Sorry, I had a little bit of a hard time reading that there. The letters were all mixing together there. It looked like just one big, long, crazy word to me. Fantom's crypto FTM plays a crucial role in the functioning of the entire blockchain network and is utilized for activities such as staking, governance, payments, and fees. Users can stake their FTM tokens with a validator node to earn an annual percentage yield. So that's awesome. Yeah, Fantom has been killing it this year. It's number 45 by market cap. And it says down here that we'll have an average price of $1.07 and a maximum price of $1.12 in 2024. That part of it I don't really believe. I think we're heading up for higher numbers there. But if you want to read this whole article, it is on, let's see here, Investor Place. So you can read it on there, the whole article, and it's pretty extensive. The third coin on the thing was Optimism. Optimism, Filecoin, and Fantom were the top 3 that they said were killing it this year. U.S. banking, this is another big one here. U.S. banking cutoff presents opportunities for crypto in Europe. Now what's going on here, Silvergate and Signature, the 2 biggest crypto banks in America, were shut down. And a lot of these companies are definitely looking to move overseas. I know Ripple talked about it when the thing with the SEC started, but over in Europe they're a lot more lenient, I should say, with crypto, and they have regulatory clarity, and they have a thing called MiCA over there, the Markets and Crypto Assets Act. Paints a stark contrast to the ambiguity in the U.S., where firms face new regulatory headwinds seemingly every day. This creates an increasingly challenging environment for the operations of any crypto organization. For new and existing market entrants, this is going to be a significant consideration. Yeah, I would like to see the U.S. Ease up on this and get clarity in the market. That's what we need. You keep dancing around and messing around here. We need to get clarity, or you're going to see the United States lose a lot of jobs. Nothing wrong with Europe. I love Europe, but I live in the U.S. and I would hate to see the companies that are here and already dug in, got their heels dug in, pack up and move. It'd be a shame. The United States, I believe, needs to ease up here. But the Fear and Greed Index, the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies is $225 billion. That's up 2.26%. Volume's down 7.72%. Yesterday it was up 70 some percent. Bitcoin dominance is up 0.69, and we are at a 63 on the market sentiment, which is greed. That is for the whole cryptocurrency market. The biggest gainers and losers, they're on the board there. You can see Conflux is your biggest gainer, your biggest losers, which are single-digit numbers, and your trending tokens are on the left. Number 2, Bitcoin there, and I made a couple other videos today, and I kind of stressed why I talk about Bitcoin so much. Is Bitcoin leads this market. If Bitcoin's doing well, the rest of the market's doing well. Bitcoin was here first, and it's kind of the the engine that runs the train here, so when it has a bull run, that's what brings the buyers in the market, and then the buyers in turn buy the altcoins. So Bitcoin brings the money in, and then it's distributed down through to the altcoins. That's what I own. I own altcoins, and that's where my stake is at in this market. I've been here since early 2020, and I love cryptocurrency. When the bull run comes along, it's the most exciting time. You're gonna love it. If you haven't been through one, boy, you got a lot to look forward to, because they are a lot of fun. And Bitcoin today is doing beautiful. Them price targets we put up there way before it got up here in price, they've been hit, and this thing just made a higher high today, which we need to see that in a good, healthy crypto market. You want to see Bitcoin doing well, so let's get a look at this Fantom chart. This is on the 4-hour. Like I said, you can see them price targets we hit. We put a fib, if we put a fib on this move there, okay, then we're up at the 786 on this lower line. But what I want to do is I want to move this Fibonacci actually up here off this total move. Okay, we're up at the 702 now. This is a very, very crucial area. You can see the first time we got rejected off of it, way over here when we came up, we actually made it right up through the 786. I thought this thing was just going to rocket out of here, but then we had we had that down sloping resistance that we finally busted out of again, and we are back up here at that 702. The 702, 618, 702, and 786 are your most crucial zones on a Fibonacci. You want to get through that 786, and then we'd be looking at the higher prices. And I have a higher price up there, and it's not a guess, it's based on a Fibonacci. Right there, the 1.236 extension would put us up around the 70 some cent area. It's not, I don't guess at these prices, and how I came up with the price that I put in here that we already hit. I put this up when we were down here in price, was with a Fibonacci. I don't guess these things. The most common place for a coin to hit is the 618 and 702, and then it's either going to roll over, consolidate, do a correction, or whatever it's going to do, or it's going to bust up through there to higher prices. So this is usually the first area you're gonna hit, and from there tells a bigger story of what's going to go on. So what we want to do here, let me see, I'm going to zoom this in on the hourly, get that Fibonacci on there and show you that this thing is beautifully respecting this trend line. And we could come back and retest it. We could come back down here just like we did here and bounce off of it for a little bit while this 1 hour RSI cools off. The 4 is at the bottom, which is making me think we're going to have some movement tonight, I believe. The 4 is reset. We have some volume coming in here. Like I said, the 4 is at the bottom. It'd be nice to see the 1 get down there too and then both head up. The daily, let's see where it's at. The daily is at the top, and it can stay up there for a long time. That really don't mean much, but it is at the top right now. And you can see this rally here didn't even start until that RSI was at the top. This rally right here where it shot up there did not even start until the RSI was about where we're at now. So we could see some movement in the market. I'm not a financial advisor, and it's not financial advice. Please don't risk any of your money off anything I say. Please do your own research. that's your best move, and consult a financial expert, or do your own research and make up your mind. But I see Fantom doing well so far. Like I said, it's up 5.25%. Please hit that subscribe button, guys. It looks like I said, Sunday evenings are usually good for price movement. So I'll check back in tomorrow, and we'll see if we can bust through this 702 and get up to them higher price areas. I hope you have a fantastic night, everybody. Thank you so very much for watching my video.